Welcome to the House of Simple Art channel. Today we're going to draw a very cute panda sitting on a bamboo branch. First we will draw the panda itself and start with its head. Drawing animals is not as difficult as it may seem at first glance. Just repeat after me, and you will succeed. Now let's draw the trunk of the bamboo. Let's add some details to our cute panda. Now let's decorate the bamboo trunk with small leaves. Look, it's very simple. The only thing left to do is to paint the bamboo. There is no need to color the panda because it is already black and white. But to give it a cute look, pink marker, draw cheeks and paint ears. Done. Our cute panda is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.